Hi, my name is Marla. Welcome to my creation station. If you love crafting, then I love you. Today we'll be making some last-minute Christmas ornaments. This first ornament is a Santa ornament from Dollar Tree, as well as a napkin. You will need to separate the two layers of napkin and cut out the part that you want to use for the ornament. I will be cutting just around the Santa Claus. Once I have it to the size of the ornament, I'm going to Mod Podge it on the back. Going to add a few things to the inside of the ornament, like one of these small trees from Dollar Tree. I did cut it down a little bit so that it would fit, and I glued it into a wood bead since that wood round would not fit down into the ornament. Add a little snow, and there you have it. The next ornament is a memory ornament in memory of my mother. I used these angel wings from Dollar General, and I printed out a graphic from Graphics Fairy about memories and people who have left us. And I'm just going to Mod Podge that onto the wings, and we're going to leave it there overnight. In the morning, we're going to dampen it a bit and then rub off the paper with our fingers very, very gently, and the graphics should remain behind. I did fail to mention, when you print this graphic off, you do need to mirror the image so that it prints off backwards, and once you Mod Podge it down, it will be the right side up. I did add a white bow to the top of it, and here it is on my tree. This ornament, you will need some graphics from Graphics Fairy, as well as some scrapbook paper. I'm going to fold the scrapbook paper accordion style all the way down. I've just cut this to a width that I thought was appropriate. It will double once you get it cut out, but you will need 2 strips the same size. Using a straight edge, I'm making a crease in the first strip, and then I'm just going to fold it accordion style all the way down and do the same for the second strip. I did take my scissors and rounded out the ends of each of the strips just a little bit. Now I'm going to fold it in half. And you'll also tie that in the middle. Using regular school glue, I'm going to glue those 2 sides together, and the same for the other piece. And then we'll glue the 2 pieces together. Once the glue is dry, you'll take your fan piece and glue your graphic on top of the fan piece. I embellished mine with some holly leaf and hung it on my tree. Now I did the same thing for this ornament, but I cut my strips of paper wider so that it's a bigger ornament and glued my graphic to the middle, and that's all there is to it. This is one of the white ornaments from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using these rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut out the word joy and rub it onto the ornament. Today's video, and as always, I wish you peace, health, and sunshine. Bye now.